Hi and welcome to this video on finding the surface area of 3D cuboids. Now, as you can see from the image that we've got on the screen, I've got a cuboid here and we can see three visible sides. So we can see the front, which is this one here, we can see the top, and we can see the side. Now if I look on the net that we've got just underneath it, we've broken that into top, front, bottom, back, and the two sides. Now we can only see the top, the front, and the side. So if we think from the other three sides, the top is exactly the same as the bottom, the front is exactly the same as the back, and the two sides are exactly the same as well. So if we look at our formula at the top, to find the surface area, we need 2 times the length and the width. We need 2 times the length and the height. And we need 2 times the width and the height. So let's just look at the top. To do the top, we're going to do 6 times 2, which is going to give us 12. If we're looking at the front, we're going to do 6 times 3, which is going to give us 18. And then if we look at the side, we're going to do 3 times 2, which gives us 6. Now if I total that up, I've got 36 centimeters squared. Now remember, that's only half of my shape. Okay, I've got the top, the front, and the side. So we need to have 2 lots of this measurement, and this is where we're getting the 2 coming from. So 2 lots of 6 times 2. So I want 2 lots of 12, 2 lots of 18, and 2 lots of 6. So in effect, what I'm doing is I'm going to multiply at the bottom here 2 lots of 36, which is going to give me 72 centimeters squared. There's lots of different ways you can calculate this. You can calculate it like we did to start with. Okay, so if we calculated that through, 2 lots of 12 is going to give me 24. 2 lots of 18 is going to give me 36. 2 lots of 6 is going to give me 12. And then I could just sum those 3 numbers together. 24 plus 36 is 60, plus 12 gives me 72 centimeters squared. Alternatively, I could leave what we did to start with and just go for my 6, 12, 18, and we're just calculating the one side, and then when I get to the end, I'm going to multiply that by 2 to give me 72. Pause the video, have a go at the next one, and see how you get on. Okay, so the first question, 3 times 4, 4 times 10, 3 times 10 will give me my 3 sides that are visible, and then I'm going to add them all together and multiply by 2 to give me 164 centimeters squared. Okay, the second one, 48 plus 12 plus 16 gives me 76 centimeters squared, and then remember, just times it through by 2 to give me the other 3 sides to give me 152 centimeters squared. And finally, 187 centimeters squared on the green check. Hope that was helpful, and I'll catch you next time.